If you're shopping on Amazon today, don't check out until you've seen these 5 kitchen finds. Some of these deals won't stay around for long, so let's get started. Product number 1, Gorilla Grip Kitchen Tongs. First up is the Gorilla Grip Stainless Steel Kitchen Tongs set. A great pair of tongs can make everyday cooking a whole lot easier. This set includes both a 7-inch and 9-inch tong, giving you the right size whether you're flipping burgers on the grill, tossing salads, serving pasta, or cooking with an air fryer. The heat-resistant silicone tips are safe for non-stick cookware, while the stainless steel body delivers a strong, secure grip. When you're finished, the pull-lock design keeps them compact for easy storage. Product number 2, Sumzzz Titanium Cutting Board. Next is the Sumzzz Titanium Double-Sided Cutting Board. This isn't your ordinary cutting board. One side is made from food-grade titanium, making it ideal for cutting meat, while the other side is perfect for fruits and vegetables. It also features a built-in juice groove to help keep your countertops clean and a garlic grinding area that saves extra prep time. It's easy to rinse, doesn't absorb odors like traditional boards, and is built to last for years. Product number 3, Gorilla Grip Garlic Press Set. At number 3 is the Gorilla Grip Garlic Press and Peel Set. If you cook with fresh garlic regularly, this gadget is a real time saver. The oversized ergonomic handle makes pressing garlic easy with less effort, while the heavy-duty chamber holds multiple cloves at once. It even comes with a silicone garlic peeler and a cleaning brush, so prep and cleanup are both quick and simple. You can also use it for ginger, peppercorns, small nuts, and seeds. Product number 4, Folksy Super Kitchen Pastry Mat. Coming in at number 4 is the Folksy Super Kitchen Silicone Pastry Mat. Whether you're baking cookies, rolling pizza dough, or making homemade bread, this extra-large pastry mat gives you plenty of room to work. The non-stick silicone surface helps dough release easily, while the non-slip bottom keeps everything securely in place. It even includes built-in measurement guides for more accurate baking, and cleanup takes just seconds with a quick wipe or rinse. Product number 5, Stainless Steel Vegetable Peeler. And finally, the Stainless Steel Y Vegetable Peeler. Sometimes the simplest kitchen tools end up being the most useful. Its sharp double-sided swivel blade glides smoothly through potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, apples, and more with very little effort. The built-in potato eye remover adds extra convenience, and the all-stainless steel construction is durable, rust-resistant, and incredibly easy to clean. Plus, it's comfortable for both left and right-handed users. Those are 5 Amazon kitchen finds that can make cooking faster, easier, and a lot more enjoyable. If you'd like to check out any of these products, you'll find all the links in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Amazon kitchen finds and the best deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.